Hey guys, we just landed down here on the Brazos River gravel bar outside of Mineral Wells, Texas. Right now, we're heading out onto the runway area. It's pretty long, but seems like the last time that this river flooded or the high water came up, some logs and some debris and things like that are out in the area that we would usually use as the long runway for people who are maybe not as skilled, not as capable, or you know, just need a little more runway. Maybe they don't have flaps or flying, something like that. So you'll see out ahead of us. Turn the camera here. Pretty large pile of debris here. I got the boys down here today. They wanted to come down and do a little bit of river fishing. But before we get started with the fishing, we're gonna do a little runway maintenance here. This is a pretty big log. It's gonna take all three of us yanking and pulling on this thing to get this debris pile clear of this area here that we like to land on. This is a pretty long bar. It's about 1,600 feet long, real smooth, gravel, really nice spot, but this is sitting about 500 feet down the runway, limiting its length. So you can see it's pretty large, and we're gonna see what we can do about getting it cleaned up. Stay tuned. Well guys, we gave it a good try, but as you can see, that's a pretty big log. And these might be some powerful boys, but the three of us, we're just not quite man enough. We tried to rotate it and twist it. We just can't quite get it moved. So we'll have to make another trip back here, maybe next week or something. I've got an electric chainsaw, so we'll pack it up, and boys and I'll come back down, spend another day fishing. We'll cut this thing up, get it cleared up out of the way. That way it opens this space back up, as you guys can see, for this really, really nice gravel bar runway. I'll kind of extend the pole on up here. This will let you guys get a little bit of a view what this gravel bar has to offer. So we'll be back, and we'll bring a chainsaw. We'll get it cleaned up, but today we're just gonna have to do what we did on landing, just work around it. Luckily, with a Bearhawk airplane, you don't need anywhere near the length of this sandbar, or this gravel bar, I should say. So we'll shorten it up, and we'll be in and out after we get a few hours of fishing in.